What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Sunrun with the ticker symbol RUN. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for a donation. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So it's basically Run made a measured move higher. So this was the prior leg up from this 853 level, and you can see the top of this move right here towards the 1512. That was one leg up. Price pulled back towards that EMA and then made a second leg up. Target was met, sold off at the 1892 level, pulled back, and we're still seeing price move up higher. So we could see price starting to fail to move up higher or just start trading sideways for the most part because the measured move target was met. But if it does continue moving up higher, I'd say the peak would be right around the 2191 or the 22 level, which is where the prior resistance was, which was back over here in April and July of this year. So that would be the target before we see a dump lower, because again, if price is going to get that overextended, most likely it's going to dump lower. So again, not a lot of upside left until we see a pullback, just like we saw a pullback right over here for another leg up. We do need to see another pullback for another leg up because the target was met, and once it resets, we can probably see another leg up like that. So again, this is looking bullish because price got back inside of this red range. It got back above the support, which is a good sign. It just needs to confirm it as support. Price did also break this downward trend line right over here. You can see that price had to gap through it to break it, and it finally broke through it. This downward trend line that's been going on since September of 2022, and you can see that it did break above it, so it's a good sign. But again, there's a lot of resistance that Run will be facing in the future, and I'll go over that on the weekly chart. So here's a look at the weekly chart. Again, like I said before, it's facing a lot of resistance right around this low 20s. It's going to be a lot of resistance. It was support in the past, right back over here. Then it turned into resistance, so most likely it's going to be acting as resistance once again. So again, price is popping up higher. It bounced off the 2020 lows, which is not random at all. So it bottomed here in October 2023, and it bottomed here in March of 2020. So we'll see if this will lead to another bull market or not. But as of now, price is moving up higher, and it's getting a little bit overextended. If price does push up higher, I'm looking for the low 20s before a pullback, or we can get the pullback right now because the measurement target was met. But either way, as long as price stays above the mid 16s, I think this is leaning more towards the upside than the downside. So this is looking pretty good towards the upside. So that's basically all I have on the daily and weekly charts. You can see that it is bullish in the short term, possibly even long term. All I'm saying is that price is getting a little overextended, due for a pullback or a correction. Even after a correction, I'm expecting higher prices as long as it stays above the 615s, mid 16s. If we do just continue pushing up higher, in that rare case, the target would be the low 20s and maybe even a possible breakout above those levels, but that's looking very unlikely as of right now. So that's all I have for RUN on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.